this super amazing custom neon sign from myNeon. I'm going to tell you why I love myNeon so much. The entire process of ordering my custom neon sign was so easy and super quick. To order a custom neon sign from myNeon, all you have to do is go to their website. They have a bunch of neon signs that are already designed, so you can pick from one of their super cool designs, or you can upload your own design.
You fill out this form on their website and you type in the size that you want your neon sign to be.
You upload any inspiration that you have or your own logo. Enter as much detail as you can about the sign.
That's what I did, and within just a few hours, someone from myNeon got back to me with a mock-up of my neon sign as well as a quote for my neon sign.
They made sure that I was 100% happy with the design of the neon sign. Once I placed my order for the sign, it arrived at my house so quickly. I placed the order on August 22nd. The sign was at my house on August 31st. Here's some things that I love about this sign.
It comes with this nice remote.
The remote has all these different options on it. This remote turns it on and off. You can also adjust the brightness. This remote can also adjust the speed of whichever mode that the neon sign is on. If I go like this, it slows down, and then if I go like this, it speeds back up again. Super cool. And then you can also adjust the color. You can also use the timer buttons on this remote to set it on a timer. There's a 1-hour timer or a 2-hour timer.
You can also control the neon sign from your phone with this super cool app. On this app, you can change the color, change the mode, and set it on a schedule. You can use the rainbow wheel to change it to any color you want, and if there's a specific color that you like, you can save it as a preset so you can easily go back to it later.
I love this sign so much because it's the centerpiece of my room now. It's amazing. Whether you want a custom neon sign for your business or for your bedroom like me, myNeon is the best place to get a custom neon sign.
Go check out myneonstore.com and get yourself a neon sign. I promise you will absolutely love it.